Now we will discuss about draft order means owner want to create order manually. Let's see. Create button click, then we can search about products from all products, popular products, collection, product types maybe man, women, tags, vendors. Now we select all products. As you can see, we have selected one product and their bill is created. We also can send invoice to our customer. Also we can enter credit card or mark as paid. So we in this video we will mark as paid. As you can see, there is order is created. If you notice, we have did not have given no customer information, contact information, phone number and shipping address. We can also provide shipping address and customer. Again we create an order and we can give here customer information, selected customer, tags, can give tags manually. Then we can collect payment from send invoice. Here we can give email of user. When invoice sent, then we can check email. And email is, you can see customer can purchase this product to complete purchase. Here continue payment. We have enabled test orders in our store. Card number 1 test, expiration date will be future date, and code 123. As customer pay, order status will be changed. Now you can see order is completed.